In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. And here is a tricky part most people miss. Instead of tapping on this pen on the right, select Google on the left. Then tap on Google Password Manager and to pick any password, click on it. Then enter your screen lock. And to see your password, use eye icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!